Hello and welcome to Indus News live from Islamabad. I am Jawad Tehami and these are the headlines. Pakistan has summoned a senior Indian diplomat to register protest over the ceasefire violations by the Indian forces along the line of control. In a statement, the Foreign Office said a 3-year-old girl was injured in unprovoked Indian fighting in the Dudnial sector. Spokesperson Zahid Hafiz said the Indian troops are continuously targeting civilian population with heavy weaponry. Kashmiris are observing India's Independence Day as Black Day in protest and rejection of its illegal occupation of the valley. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference has called for a complete shutdown across the Indian-occupied Jammu and Kashmir. In a message, Hurriyat leader Syed Ali Gilani said New Delhi has lost its right to celebrate its Independence Day while it deprives Kashmiris of their freedom. Russia's President Vladimir Putin says the ongoing crisis following last Sunday's presidential elections in Belarus will end soon. Speaking to Belarus President Alexander Lukashenko over the phone, Putin said it is important to prevent destructive forces from taking advantage of the unrest in the country. This comes as thousands of people gathered in Minsk for the funeral of a man who died during protests against the disputed polls. The US and Poland have sealed a defense cooperation deal that paves the way for the redeployment of American troops from Germany to Poland. The agreement was signed by the US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo and Polish Defense Minister Mariusz Blaszczak in Warsaw. Last month, the US announced to withdraw almost 12,000 troops from Germany, accusing it of not contributing enough to NATO. In the US, more than 1,100 people have died from COVID-19 in the last 24 hours, taking the toll to over 168,000 with more than 5.3 million cases. Brazil has reported 1,060 deaths and more than 50,600 infections in a day. In India, nearly 1,000 people have died in the past 24 hours, taking the toll to over 49,000 with more than 2.5 million infected so far. Meanwhile, in Pakistan, COVID-19 death rate continues to decline as 9 people died since yesterday, with 747 new cases. The global number of deaths has crossed 763,000, with over 21 million infected. Those were the headlines. For the latest updates, you can follow us on social media at Indus News.